Hey everybody, Gary Fong here, and I am playing with ChatGPT to see what it can do in terms of everything. I'm just experimenting. One thing that I decided to do was I decided to see if ChatGPT could reorganize my tool drawer. And so what I did was I asked it, hey ChatGPT, if I upload a photo, can you make an inventory of what you see, which is kind of cool. And it said, sure. So it says, here's an inventory of the files visible in the drawer. Quite amazing, right? So it takes this picture and it says, there's a Boss Stitch stapler. There's a kitty smoke alarm. Various tools, including pliers, a wrench, and a screwdriver set. Electrical tape. There's several rolls of electrical tape. Packing tape, a roll of red packing tape with a dispenser. And by the way, this is really important because I've been through a house fire before where I've lost everything. And one thing I saw on the internet was, as a really good habit, go around the house and just take a bunch of pictures of like what's inside your drawer, what's inside your closet, especially the clothes. In our last fire, we had a full replacement cost of all of the items in there, and there were things in there that was like a baby breast pump, and that was like $750, and you couldn't even give that away on Facebook Marketplace. But because the insurance settlement or the insurance policy said replacement coverage, then they had to give you the full amount as long as you could identify that you had it. And I'm a freak about scanning everything. I have a Fujitsu Snap printer, but this one almost is like it automates everything, because if I can just upload a photo to ChatGPT, boom, it'll tell you what's in it, right? So this is kind of crazy. Yellow brush attachments possibly for a drill, which it was. Masking tape, a roll of masking tape, light bulbs, loose light bulbs, various loose batteries, and glue, a tube of glue, blah, blah, blah. Let's see, hot glue gun, a red hot glue gun, okay, wire spool. So you can do this all through your house. I could take pictures of those guitars and it'll probably say what year they were and whatnot, right? So it's pretty amazing. Measuring tape. Okay, so anyway, package and loose batteries. This is a detailed inventory of the items visible in the drawer. If you need further details or a closer examination of specific items, please let me know. This is like the best executive assistant from your wildest dreams. I said, can you help me to organize it if I purchase bins? It is 18 inches deep and 33 inches wide, right? So it says, absolutely. Here's a plan to help you organize the items in your drawer using bins. Number one, measurements and bin sizes. Your drawer dimensions are 18 by 33, so consider bins that are around 4 to 6 inches in width and height to maximize space. Aim for a combination of small, 4 by 4 inches, medium, 6 by 6 inches, and large, 6 by 12 inch bins. Right? Categorizing items. So it tells you, put the tools and the hardware together. Electrical and light bulbs, put those together. Adhesives and fasteners, put those together. Safety and maintenance, group together things like the smoke alarm, batteries, and cleaning cloth. Miscellaneous, group together items that don't fit in the above categories, like the hygrometer, thermometer, and yellow brush attachments. Okay, so that's the miscellaneous bin. So bin layout. Left side, it suggests small bins. Please place small bins for small hardware items like screws, nails, bolts. This is absolutely amazing. Can you imagine? I sent it a picture, one single solitary photo, and it comes up with all of these suggestions. Organizing items into bins. The small bins, put the screws, nail, bolts, battery. Bin number 2, just for batteries. Bin number 3, small tools, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Final layout. It suggests place the small bins on the left side, medium bins in the middle, and large bins on the right side. Who is this wizard behind the thing? And I said, okay, please list an inventory of items to purchase, including the height of the bins. So it says, certainly, here is a list of bins to purchase, including their dimensions. So it says, small bins, dimensions 4 by 4, blah, 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 blah. And then, so then it gives me a shopping list. And it says, so small bins, 4 by 4 by 4. Example, Amazon small storage bins. Gives you a link to Amazon to buy it, right? Who needs? Anyway, medium storage bins, large storage bins. So those are the links to buy it. And I'm like going, okay. So it says, by purchasing these bins, you'll be able to organize your drawer efficiently, keeping all items neatly separated and easy to access. What a dream. And I'm just like thinking, hey, chat, let's see what you got. Show me a floor plan of what it will look like. Holy smokes, look what it did. It did a picture. Let me just move this so you can see it. it did a picture of what it's going to look like when I have the bins that it suggested that I bought. Motivation. And that is the visual representation of what the goal is. I'm going to be doing a few more videos about this kind of a thing. Especially, I'm such a fan of consensus for medical research. As you know, I'm doing a lot of the medical stuff. So please like, share, subscribe to this channel, and really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.